Hello, everyone. This is Matt Pinto, and I'm here to share with you the Catholic Crypto Conference preview. And I'd like to welcome our guest. His name is Xavier, and I'm not going to attempt your last name. Xavier, can you say it slowly for us so we can come to know who you are?
It's Ducuyper. I don't know if that was slow enough, but yeah, it's a very difficult name for an English speaker.
And you are from Belgium.
Yeah, indeed. I'm very excited, and thank you for having me.
You have a YouTube channel called Simply Explained, and you do what you promise. You simply explain technological things, including this area of cryptocurrency and blockchain and smart contracts.
So in a nutshell, a cryptocurrency is a currency that is completely digital, and it doesn't have any central authority that guards it. So it's a bit like the dollar. You can pay with it, you can save it. There's lots of applications around that, but it doesn't have a physical form. Yeah, the sky has been the limit. Many cryptocurrencies have been created. And in fact, I checked this morning on CoinGecko, and I saw that they're currently tracking 13,000 different cryptocurrencies with a total market cap of a little bit over $1 trillion. So, the space has really exploded. Yeah.
So how are we to look at these different coins or tokens?
The reason why so many are in existence today is because they all implement things in a slightly different way, or they use themselves in a slightly different way. So for example, Bitcoin was obviously meant as a store of value. There's not much more with Bitcoin that you can do. You can hold Bitcoin, you can transact Bitcoin, but that's about it. And then when Ethereum came along, they added this concept of smart contracts, which really meant that you could create computer programs that interacted with your money and did things automatically with it. How do you make this secure? Some people were using proof of work, other people were proposing proof of stake. There's proof of space, there's proof of time. There's a lot of consensus algorithms that people want to experiment with, and they all go out and they write their own code and they create their own token. So I guess that's a bit how you have to see it. Different people having different opinions and starting their own projects, and each of them trying to make it a success. It's really all about the blockchain. The blockchain was the innovation that kickstarted this whole revolution and made it possible to even have cryptocurrencies in the first place. A cryptocurrency is basically an application of a blockchain. It's one way of using a blockchain. So if we step back, a blockchain is basically a distributed database. Everyone can write stuff to this database, but nobody can alter the past. Nobody can change records in that database that have already been made by others. And you can use that database however way you see fit. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, they obviously use it to transact money. With blockchains, is really about giving people full control over their own finances. But if you look broader, it's your whole life basically, because you can use a blockchain for just about anything. Everyone is equal. There's no central authority that controls the system. And I think that is really what speaks to most people. It's the freedom. There's no middleman. There are no gatekeepers. It's really the first time that we have a system like this. In traditional finance, there's always a gatekeeper. You entrust your money to a bank and trust that they will keep it safe. And they get to limit your abilities and say, oh, you cannot take out your money this fast, or you cannot do payments above this amount and stuff like that.
But another topic you're going to speak on is decentralized finance. And first off, what has enamored you with this? What is decentralized finance, and what has enamored you with this topic?
It's basically an umbrella term for financial services that are built on top of blockchains. Some people call it the financial system built for the internet age. And that is a very good slogan, I think. But so what are we talking about? We're talking about ways to get a loan, to get insurance, to do crowdfunding. And for DeFi, I really want to give an overview of everything that is possible. So DeFi is really building on that foundation of blockchain and smart contracts. But now suddenly, because you're dealing with computer code, you can really build any type of application on top of these blockchains.
Thank you again. Look forward to seeing you at the conference.
Thanks for having me.
I would encourage you to go to the website, CatholicCryptoConference.com, and we would love to see you there. Thank you.